Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix unfortunately Play Store has stopped on your phone. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, open settings and now scroll down. Here is the storage. Tap it and tap on cache data and you have to clear it. After that, go back and tap on application manager. So type on Google Play Store and here is the clear data. Tap it and clear the data. After clearing the data, your Play Store will work properly. So thanks for watching.